bad. Man never open, man never open. Man I open my heart back to a pussy wall. Man I care if you bring my diamond or gold. Emotions lock off, man I soft, my heart freezing.
Wagwan people, welcome back to Sue's Ends. I'm your girl Yasu, and I'm back again with another mother freaking video. Let's go. So my darlings, this video is basically self-explanatory. Just watch what I do. I'm doing curry chicken with dumpling, yam, banana, and potatoes, but with a twist. I'm doing everything in one pot. So I'm basically gonna fry the chicken first with all the seasoning and everything. Add a whole lot of water to the pot. Boil the dumpling first. Take out back the chicken out of the pot because I don't want it to cook out too much and get all soft and stuff. And then I add the yam, banana, and potatoes to the pot. Let that boil out for a while, and then I add the chicken again after. So that's basically what this video is gonna show you. So if you don't understand what I'm doing at the end, just run, come back and listen to this. Okay, bye. Alright, so this is complete, ready to eat. Don't come for my dumplings. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to be notified whenever I make another post. Until next time, my peoples. Bye.
So me not open, me never open. You know my heart frozen. Me not open my heart back to a pussy hole. Me not care if you bring me diamond or gold. Emotions like a man soft, my heart freezing cold.